Minista wa KIGINA Prof NJUGUNA arathĩtwo gwikinyia mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ĩgiĩ KIGINA gũtarĩria kana nĩ marũmĩrĩire watho harĩ kũruta mũigana wa ciringi birioni 17 mweri-inĩ wa ĩtandatũ mwaka ũyũ kuma KIGINA kĩa mũingĩ kĩrĩkana ciahũthĩkire kũrĩha kambuni cia andũ kĩũmbe gũthaĩrĩra mathogora ma maguta.
Is it in law that you can go to a exchequer and get this kind of money to stabilize prices? Is it by law? Or you are going beyond the law?
Agĩteanĩria riboti ĩno Minista Ndung'u ahinyĩrĩirie mũbango wa thirikari kweheria KIGINA kĩrĩa kĩahũthĩkaga gũthaĩrĩra thogora wa maguta warĩ ũguni mũnene kũrĩ bũrũri. Kuona o mweri thirikari yahũthĩraga birioni 17.7 kũrĩha kambuni cia maguta ũndũ ũrĩa ĩtangĩahotire kũrũgamĩrĩra kumana na moritũ marĩa makoretwo mamĩgũmĩire ma kĩmbeca.
We could not afford. In fact, if I use the words of His Excellency the President, say that if we continued with the subsidy for 6 months, we would have closed the government, because you cannot accumulate, you cannot manage those resources. So by the time the government realized that we cannot actually manage to subsidize, we had an arrears of slightly over 66 billion. The whole issue was, you have stopped, but you have to pay the slightly over 66 billion in terms of arrears to market to oil marketing companies.
Handũ-inĩ ho Ndung'u augĩte thirikari yarongoreirie kũhũthĩra igoti rĩa maguta nĩrĩo Petroleum Development Levy gũthaĩrĩra mathogora ma maguta kuona ũcio nĩguo wĩra wakĩo. Ona gũtuĩka moritũ marĩa magũmĩire ũtonga wa bũrũri na macerithĩirie kũrutithio wĩra gwa KIGINA gĩkĩ ta ũrĩa kĩagĩrĩire.
When the subsidy was stopped, then the PDL kicks in. That is price stabilization through the Petroleum Development Levy. But if PDL does not have adequate resources, and we think that the stabilization can be done, it has to borrow from the budget.
Haha bunge makĩenda kũmenya gĩtũmi gĩa thogora wa maguta gũthiĩ na mbere kwambatĩra na thengia wa gũkorwo gĩthaĩrĩrwo na KIGINA gĩkĩ gĩa PDL.
World producing countries or OPEC countries, world prices of oil comes down, and we are doing stabilization, and it's not coming down. Let them explain to us, because it is very important. We cannot inject almost 20 billion and nothing is getting stabilized.
What are you stabilizing if the fuel prices are going up? And you are saying you are paying it even up to now.
The Ukraine war. Even in Germany right now, if you go, you find the same thing. Because of that conflict, because they were dependent very much on that pipeline running there. So it means it has affected the global prices, and that is why the stabilization became very, very important, because if we brought in the whole price schedule, it could have been difficult.
Iguru rĩa maya Minista Ndung'u nĩakorire agĩikanĩria mĩario na amwe ya ambunge arĩa matanaiganĩra na imwe cia nja iria kũheanaga mbere ya kamĩtĩ ĩno makĩria ciĩgiĩ gĩtũmi gĩa thogora wa igũrũ wa maguta bũrũri-inĩ.
Can you demonstrate to us how the subsidy works and how stabilization works on the increase of 20 shillings?
I just need your protection.
You come here to make us understand.
That is what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do, but it is not warfare, my friend.
Yes.
It's not warfare.
Cool.
I would want to go through. Listen, I would like to go through the logic of what is done slowly. Let's not fight. It is not a war.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.